I've been using Windows for a long time now, and in that time, I've learned how to do some things. Like I can change the wallpaper. That's pretty much it. And recently, I started to use Linux, but I don't really use Mac at all. I've used Mac in the past, but I have very little experience with it, and I don't know how to do a lot of stuff on it. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be trying out Mac. I had to do a whole lot of stuff. It took me so long to set this up. It took me like an hour, but we're finally in. I got OBS recording down here. Okay, so first thing I want to do, I want to write down some things that I'm gonna do. So here, notes. I think this is probably it. Alright, so this is like using my phone's notes, so that's cool. I also had to connect my account and stuff, so it took a long time, but finally, we're here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change wallpaper to soggy, of course. Next thing I want to do, install Brave and set it as default browser. Third thing I want to do, install Steam and get Geometry Dash. I don't know if Mac actually supports Steam. I think it does, but I'm not sure if Geometry Dash is officially supported. And if it's not, then just install Steam. Fourth thing I want to do is just explore the settings. Fifth thing I want to do is link the computer to my phone to share files. Okay, so this is basically it. How do I zoom in? Do I command? No. Control? No. Function? Option? How do I zoom in? Alright, we got these things here. I have no clue how to zoom in. Let me check that. How to zoom into notes on macOS. Shift Command period key. Really? Shift Command period. That's so weird. Why? Why not just like control and scroll like Windows? Also, what's the difference of all these modifier keys? Like, are these the equivalent to like Alt, Win, Shift, Control on Windows? There's the function key, there's the control key, there's the option key, and there's the command key. So I think command is like control. I don't know why control isn't control, but maybe option is like alt? I have no clue. And then function is probably like function to do functions. That's pretty obvious, but yeah. How do I actually add a sixth thing to do? Zoom into notes, which I just did. So can I highlight this and check it off? Oh, wait, why don't I just turn this all into a checklist? Boom. So I can click this, enable sorting. Checked items will be moved to the bottom of your lists. No. Okay, we've got zoom into notes done. Now let's try to install Brave. So I'm not going to use Google. I'm going to check out the App Store. Okay, let's see. Search Brave. There's DuckDuckGo. Why is it recommending me DuckDuckGo when I searched up Brave? Braver search? What is this? Is this like a Brave knockoff? Oh my goodness, what is that AI picture? Oh my goodness. Or is this just like the Brave search engine? Okay, hold on, let's try something else. Let's see, what supports macOS? Let me just try to get Brave on Google. Brave browser. Brave right here. Get Brave. Yes. Allow. Let me actually check first, real quick. Does Brave support Mac OS? Yes, Brave is fully available for Mac OS. So, okay, that's good. Okay, where's the installer? Downloads. There's when I installed OBS Studio. Brave browser, right here. Brave browser, drag it to applications. Oh, here's OBS when I installed it. Okay. Copying Brave browser to applications. So right here, it's copying to applications, I guess. I don't know why it's taking so long. OBS Studio was super quick, and this is taking a billion years. Oh my goodness, I forgot about this goofy animation to like minimize stuff. It's so cool. Okay. I think it finished. Now can I close this? Also before this I enabled right clicking so I can do this since I'm on a Magic Mouse or whatever. I'm using like the Apple things like the Apple keyboard and the Magic Mouse, the Apple mouse, and it's really weird. The Magic Mouse is like, it doesn't have different buttons. It's just like one button that you click, and there's also no scroll wheel, but it like detects where you click. So if you click on the left side, it does a left click like that, and if you click on the right side, it does a right click, and then you literally, like, you use 2 fingers to scroll on the mouse. It's weird. Well, I mean, I can connect my own mouse, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use this. Okay, so now, if I go here, where do I open Brave Browser? This? No. Let me check Finder. Applications, Brave Browser. Double click this, and it looks like it's jumping up and down. App download from the internet. Yes, open. It's working. Yes. Oh, the notifications are up here. I actually like them up here better than being down here, so that's cool, and I can also just hide them like this. Set Brave as default browser. Yes. Do you want to change your default? Yes. Use Brave. I also set it to dark mode. No. Uncheck both of these and finish. Alright, I'm just gonna real quick set up Brave to my liking. Alright, now there's only one more thing that's missing. Soggy. But real quick, let me go to notes and check this off. Install Brave and set it as default browser. Done. Why are there all these different apps open? I closed them, but they don't actually close. Like, App Store is not even open. I have to go here and press quit. That's really annoying. Okay. But now, let me plug in my USB that I got from Windows, and let's see if it actually lets me get the files from it. Oh, okay, something popped up. Untitled. Here it is. I also got some videos that I can try editing later. I'm going to install Premiere Pro and try editing those, and I should actually add that to the list. Install Premiere Pro and edit my video. And who knows, I might actually use this Mac to edit this video that you're watching right now. Okay, so let's take Soggy and drag it here. Okay, we got Soggy here. Put him right there, and here, set desktop picture. Much better. I got Soggy here, so let's go to notes and check change wallpaper to Soggy. And also on Brave, we're going to change it to Soggy. Perfect. Alright, so now, how do I move this to this side? I don't like it being on the left. Alright, let's go to settings, system settings, and let me check if I can do that. Accessibility or appearance? Oh, liquid glass or tinted. What's the difference? Oh wait, nothing changes. Except for this sidebar gets a little bit darker when I choose tinted, and this weird button up here. Okay, I guess I'll leave it on clear. Icon in widget style. Oh, let's go with dark. Oh, okay, all these icons down here just changed, except for OBS. Now, where do I find the thing to put this on the right? General, maybe? Oh, menu bar. Oh, wait, I think the menu bar is talking about this up here where it says, like, system settings, edit view window, and then it has these. Okay. What is energy? I don't think I saw that on my phone. Prevent automatic sleeping. Oh, okay, I see. Is Bluetooth on? Okay, I'm gonna turn the... Oh, wait, no. I forgot my mouse is connected with Bluetooth. But yeah, as you can see, the magic mouse and magic keyboard. I don't get what's so magic about the keyboard, except for that there's a fingerprint thing. Oh, magic trackpad. Can I actually connect that with Bluetooth? Because I really want to try to use that. Okay, it did not work. Maybe it's dead? Okay, I don't know if there's actually an option to move this to the right, but maybe let's search it up. Or how about we use Siri? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, I don't think Siri is working. Did I turn Siri on? Let me check system settings, Apple Intelligence, and Siri. Siri, listen for Siri or Hey Siri. I literally said it twice there. I said Siri, Hey Siri again, and it's not working. Hey Siri, how do I move the close window and minimize and maximize buttons to the right? Okay, what extensions? Chat GPT? Siri is on here. What if I turn it off and then turn it back on? Yes, enable Siri. Listen for Hey Siri. Bro, I already did this. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay. Now is it gonna work? Hey Siri. It doesn't look like it's working. Oh, prefer silent responses. Prefer spoken responses. Hey Siri. Okay, let me try this. Press either command key twice. What do you mean press either command key twice? Okay, command twice. Oh, yes, enable shortcut. Oh, I can also type to Siri here. How do I move the close window, minimize window, and maximize window to the top right of the windows instead of the top left. See what it says. To minimize, no, I'm not trying to minimize all windows. I'm not trying to minimize all the windows. I'm trying to move the what just happened? I'm not trying to minimize all windows. I'm trying to move the close window, minimize window, and maximize window buttons all to the right. Bro, it's just not working. Okay, clearly that's not gonna work. Let me just search it up. Why does it keep opening in a small tab like this? Can I just like automatically make it open maximize like this? Full screen? How to move the minimize window, maximize window, and close window buttons all to the top right of the tab instead of the top left of the tab on macOS. There is no built-in way to move the minimize, maximize, and close buttons to the top right of the window in macOS. Oh, so I guess there's no native way to do that? Alright, I guess let's try to just explore the settings. Apps, what is apps? Oh, okay, this is cool. Oh, I forgot, I also have the Final Cut Pro thing, so I can use that to edit my video instead of Premiere Pro. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Or maybe I'll try both. But how do I open up the Spotlight thing? Let me check. Settings. I think there was a thing. Yeah, Spotlight. Alright. How do I open it? Reset quick keys. Restore Spotlight. No. What are the quick keys to open it? Is there like a shortcuts thing? Shortcuts here. Toggle between full screen, picture in picture. Move cursor to next monitor. Use trackpad question. Okay, none of these are what I want. Oh, I can scroll up. Zoomed image moves. Pointer reaches edge. Nothing is happening. Like edge here. Computer edges. Oh, what is this? Oh, this just brings me to my notes. Why? Okay, what about the bottom left? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go in a few minutes. Let's actually try to see if I can set a timer for then. Okay, so I need to leave at 1:35 p.m., so let's check Siri. Hey Siri. Of course that doesn't work. Okay, and command set a timer for 1:35 p.m. today to stop recording here 11 minutes. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay, let's go back to this. There's zoom window, no. Movement speed. Okay, hold on. Cancel. Advanced. That's just what I was on. Okay, keyboard shortcuts. Show spotlight search. Command space. Okay, that's just like KRunner on Linux. Command space. Oh, okay. Browse more locations. Command 1 for applications, Command 2 for files, Command 3 for actions, and Command 4 for clipboard. Is that how you paste stuff, or is that just like the clipboard history? Alright then, continue. Whoa, that was a cool animation, you saw that? Okay, let's, can I search stuff up, or can I do calculations like with KRunner? 5 plus 5. Okay, it did show that. Now how do I select all in the text that I'm on? In Windows, you press Control A. Okay, that's not Option A. Command A. Oh, okay, that worked. 5 times 5? 25, okay. Okay, but can you do advanced math like with KRunner? So in KRunner, you can type square root like this, and then in parentheses, do the number you want, so 9. Okay, you cannot do that. Alright, I'm finally back and I'm ready to get back to what I was doing. So I think when I left, I was looking at the system settings, trying to change some stuff. Let's see, what else is here? Time machine. What is the time machine? Oh, that's like backups. Okay, let's see what else there is. Scroll down, keyboard. Key repeat right. Oh, okay, I think that's if you like, you hold down a key and like it automatically, like if you just hold it down. Oh. Is that not a thing? I thought it was the thing where if you hold down your key for a certain amount of time, it would start spamming that key a bunch of times in text. And I thought that's just how fast it would spam them, but I guess not. And then delay until repeat, I thought that would be like how long you have to hold it down until it starts spamming, but apparently that's wrong. I don't know why. Let's see what's in wallpaper. Okay, well, this makes sense for your wallpaper. airdrop in okay, so I'm wondering, am I able to airdrop stuff from my phone to the computer? Let's see if that's possible. Okay, I'm gonna go into photos and I'm just gonna airdrop this image. Let's see. Okay, I checked and I didn't see this computer as an option to airdrop to from my phone, but I'm pretty sure if I check in photos, it'll have all my photos from my phone since this is linked to my iCloud. Okay, yes it is. I'm gonna have to like blur a bunch of this out, but like, see? It's working. Oh, I can drag left and right on my mouse to switch images. That's cool. Alright, well, I think I'm done looking at the settings for now. Close that and actually close it. Where is it? Oh, okay, it is closed. Good, good, good. So now, let's check that off the list. Hold on, I have to zoom in. What is it? Control, no, Option, Shift, Function, Control Shift, Option Shift, Command Shift. Oh, Command Shift. Got it. Explore settings, and that's complete. Alright, I guess this right here is already complete because I can just check the Photos app and everything is on there, so I can just check this off the list. And also, I know install Premiere Pro's on here to edit my video, but I also have another editing app on this computer that like we paid extra money for, so use Final Cut Pro to edit my video. Alright, that looks good. Alright, let's try to install Steam now. Go to the App Store. Okay, search Steam. I don't see Steam on here, so I guess I'm gonna have to install it from Brave. Alright, let's open up Brave, and it opened weirdly like this. Oh, interesting. It doesn't let me drag this to size this above the toolbar right here. That's really weird. Okay, I guess I can just go in full screen, but it doesn't do that on Windows. On Windows, it lets you drag it down, but I guess that's because the toolbar on Windows is like the full screen. It's not floating in the middle, so it makes more sense. Oh, wait, so if I go down here... Oh, yeah, okay, so I can see the toolbar here. So, yeah, why doesn't it just let me have this above the thing? Alright, well, let's just try to install Steam. Steam. Welcome to Steam. Install Steam. Install Steam. Save as Steam. Yes. Install Steam. Downloads. Steam. Whoa, this has a cool little background and cool, like, font. Okay, I'll simply drag. An older... Oh, wait. Is Steam already on here? Steam. Oh, I guess Steam is already on this computer. Yeah, and by the way, I didn't just buy this computer just for this video, because it's like $3,000. I'm not going to get $3,000 if I'm not monetized. My dad already had this computer, so I thought it would be cool to just make a video with it, because, you know, I never actually use it. Oh, I think Steam finished updating. No, it didn't. I don't know why it closed out of this weird pop-up here, but okay. Also, why does it think that the apps are like different drives? It's weird. Like Brave browser, it looks like a drive here. It's weird. All right, let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, now I just have to sign in. All right, nice. We got Steam here. I'm logged in, so that's half of the thing done. Now I want to install Geometry Dash. Oh, cool. It lets me install it. Okay, install. Okay, while it's installing, let me check what other apps I can actually play on here. Let's check Amazing Frog. Yep, these work. Among Us. Oh, okay, Among Us doesn't work. I'm assuming that's because it's like a multiplayer game, so it's probably the same for Gorilla Tag. Yeah. What about like Ball Battle? This is multiplayer. Yeah, okay, so all the multiplayer games are only available for Windows. Oh, interesting. This is multiplayer, but it's not only available for Windows. It also supports Mac. That's cool. But Geometry Dash finished installing, so let's play. See how fast it opens up. Okay, let's just set this up real quick, like I do for every single computer that I get Geometry Dash on. Oh, weird. Okay, I guess macOS doesn't natively support, like, it doesn't let you unlock FPS like it does on Windows. What's my FPS then? It's probably because I'm also recording at the same time. I think it's because I'm recording with OBS on X264, so it's like using the CPU, so I guess I need to switch that to like hardware encoding, which I'm pretty sure means it uses your GPU.